With the Element IQ precise heating controls, the bake function delivers even energy to the top and bottom elements, which is perfect for baking foods like chocolate brownies. While bottom bake directs more heat to the bottom elements and is ideal for baked goods with a firm base, like tarts and pies. Start baking by setting your rack position to 6 and turn the confirm dial to bake. This number displays the temperature, which can be adjusted using the temperature dial. Then turn the time dial to set the cooking time. Now let's preheat the oven by pressing the Start/Stop button. Remember to cut your baking paper large enough to reach up to the edges of the tin, as this will allow for adequate heat circulation. To start using bottom bake, set your rack position to 6 and turn the confirm dial to bottom bake. Like the bake function, set your desired cooking temperature and cooking time with the dials, then hit the Start/Stop button to begin the preheating process. For both of these functions, you can choose between convection or super convection, or neither, and the temperature will adjust automatically to suit. With the Rotate Remind feature, the oven will remind you to switch the position of the food so you get the most even baking results. Ah, fudgy brownies! What a great treat to share!